Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Tamara's Bargains, and today I'm giving you a review on the products that I hauled in the last couple of days or the last week, so that way you could know if the product is worth the dollar, a bang for your buck, or a total bust. I haven't done one of these reviews in a minute. I do apologize for all the ones who have been following me since day one. I will get reviews out faster and better for you guys with more accurate whether I like the product or I don't. So this one is kind of a big video, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you agree on some of these finds that I found in my reviews, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So go ahead and grab your favorite snacks, drinks, coffee, tea, whatever time it is of the day, and let's get into this review time for a bang for your buck or a total bust. So let me start you off with the bang for your buck. Like, I cannot keep bragging about this product. I was so excited when I came across these. These are by Global Beauty Care, and these are the foot masks. And oh my gosh, if you come across these, I strongly suggest that you gift them to someone special or stock up for yourself. So last week, my husband and I definitely tried them. These were amazing. It's been a week now. I'm a big kid when it comes to certain things. I was that same night and the last couple of nights, I've been in bed like rubbing my feet together like, oh, my feet felt brand new. So when it comes to these are amazing. And this is what these guys look like. So they are little like foot masks, and you stick your whole feet in. You cut this across and just stick your whole feet in for 30 to 90 minutes. And then when you get done with it, you wash your feet off. Now, what it's supposed to do in a 4 to 7 day period is supposed to peel off any dry calluses, any dry feet, dry skin, anything like that off your feet, and make them completely soft. Now, I didn't have any peeling off my feet, but like I said, my feet feel brand new and they feel fabulous. And you're only supposed to use these guys once a month. So that shows how good they work. So if you do come across these, grab them, grab them, grab them. They are amazing. So another product that I'll admit that is really good, I ended up trying it for myself too, and so did my two daughters. But these are the Shea Solutions. They're made with organic shea butter, deep moisturizer shampoo, and deep conditioner. And this smells amazing. So these, if you come across these are great for gifts, stocking stuffers, to make a gift basket. I mean, amazing. And like I said, this smells super, super amazing. Oh my gravy. Whew. And it makes your hair super soft. So that is a bang for your buck. Now, also came across the Bolero Hydrating Paper Facial Mask, and this is watermelon with sweet mint. It's meant for all skin types. I mean, be careful though, sometimes all skin types is not what it really is for. An advanced formula. So I've never had any problem with any Bolero paper mask. I do love it. So if you come across this works really well. I did use it last night. It made my skin feel very, very soft. And I mean, today I do feel like it's a little hydrated. It doesn't look dry because the last couple of days my skin has been dry. I don't know if it's been from allergies or having, I don't know, change of weather, but I do feel great. My skin does feel nice today. So if you come across that, that's a great bang for your buck. Now, this guy, I'm in between, but the facial ice roller, I'll admit, I like the cold compression on my face. So I will say for $1, you can't beat this, and you guys should give it a try. Now, I've heard other haulers be like in the middle, it's not good, it's not worth your $1. But for $1, I will say it is. So you basically store it in the fridge or the freezer until it's chilled, and you use an upward stroke, gently rubbing across your skin to massage it. So I like stuff like this, and you know, I had no complaints about it. So I would say give it a try for yourself and see if you like it, but I'll admit I like it. So moving on to the next product that I would say is a total bang for your buck. these eye masks right here. In fact, you know what? I want to grab some more because I think they're totally worth it. It comes in a packet like this, and they're Joby eye mask by Be Pure, and they also have blue and purple. I got pink because pink is one of my favorite colors. So you put this in the freezer for, it's place in the fridge or the freezer. So if you place in the fridge, no more than 60 minutes, and if you place in the freezer, no more than 10 minutes. Apply gently to the eye area for no more than 15 minutes at a time. So within the time, you give yourself a 15-minute eye break, and then you could repeat it. But look at this, and you got the Velcro in the back, almost looking like Batgirl over here. But yeah, this I love it. Like I said, if you came across this, I will link the videos that I hauled these in, but if you come across these at Walmart, Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, you're not gonna pay $1 for it. You're actually gonna pay way, way more. So you know what, since I have my glasses off, let me put this on. So this is the shirts that I also hauled a couple videos ago. Total bang for your buck for $1. Like, I'm so impressed. And this one is by Gildan. The one I got for my husband was by Hanes. And this is Smart Basics, and it's a small. Now, don't judge the sizes. I'm not a small at all. I'm more of a thicker girl. I usually are medium large, but for comfort, I love large. And like I said, don't judge the sizes, but this is a small, and I do have 2 t-shirts on already, but this is what this guy looks like. And it's still got a lot of comfort. So, you know, you're still full from Thanksgiving. I know I am. It's actually very loose and comforting. And if I didn't have 2 shirts already, it would be even more looser. So like I said, if it's looks a little big, most likely it is big for you. And that is, it gives you that comfort you like. So this is a total bang for your buck. So another item I want you guys to get excited for is the glue guns. Now, oh my gosh, I know on the thumbnail I kind of made it look like it was not a bang for your buck, but yes it is. Yes it is. So if you come across these, pick them up. If you know people who are crafters, grab them, and don't forget the glue sticks, because it does not come with any glue sticks. So I mean, a $2 product, this was $1, but I had to snatch it up. I did use it, if you could see. Now what I do need to get is a glue gun stand, but let me show you. I finally got to finish my Christmas tree, and I used the glue stick and the glue gun right here with this bow, and it's on there very well. So total bang for your buck, and it's not a low temperature one. It's more like medium high heat, and it works fabulous. So another item, bang for your buck, 10 face masks. I wish I came across the black ones. I've purchased the black ones before from Family Dollar, and I did not pay $1 for them. I got 5 for the price of $5.99, but these are well worth $1. Now the only thing is, because I wear makeup, not all the time. I'm not that type of mom that wears makeup every single day. No, some days I'm like, take me as I am, and I'll go outside with no makeup, no shame in my game. But when you're wearing makeup, it does get all over this. But these are very comfortable, and they are well worth your $1. Bang for your buck. So another product is the gloves that I hauled. Fabulous, works so well. These are by Scrub Buddy, and they are amazing. I'm not a large hand, but they only had that size. And the Scrub Buddy brushes, Scrub Buddy sponges, fabulous. I would skip those regular basic white and green ones because they tend to fall apart after a while, but a 2-pack, I got pink and white and yellow and white. Fabulous. Totally a copycat from Scrub Daddy from Shark Tanks, but this works really great. A bang for your buck. Mr. Clean, bang for your buck. Always pick them up. And these are the green Well, these were scrub buddies too, but these ones fell apart, so I was not impressed by these ones. I would get these ones. These really held up for my Thanksgiving and for cleaning dishes. Another item, this guy. I hauled these in my last video yesterday. Like I said, I'll include all the videos down below so you can see those hauls. This came with the little scrunchie, the matching scrunchie. Fabulous, so soft, so comfortable. So if you come across those, definitely pick them up. Now for these cake bars, I'm going to try them out real quick for you guys. They come 8 in a pack. They look like this. I heard they're from Walmart. I'm not too sure about that. I'll have to do my research on it. So I haven't done, like I said, a review in a while, but decided let's go for a review. Let's see how this guy tastes. All right, looks like this. Okay. Take a little piece. That's really good. And 8 for $1. Can't beat that. It tastes like the little Debbie cakes. That's actually pretty good. So if I come across more, I might pick those up. I know my kiddos will love it. So this one is the berry and the vanilla flavoring. Let's see how this one tastes. Oh, and it looks like this got a little chocolate on the top of that one. Very good, guys. Those are really good. 8 for $1, you can't beat those. And those are actually really, really good. So I hope you guys like this review. Everything I got here from my Dollar Tree hauls were a total bang for your buck. So if you like this, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And please give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. See you later. Have a blessed one.